there is a storm a-brewing. What's going on, my friends? Today we're going to be getting ready. We do have another big storm coming, estimating around 8 inches, and I hope that's not true. I'm sick of snow, and I'm sick of driving in bad weather. We gotta get ready for the storm. I'm gonna go take a shower first. We gotta get ready for the storm. Shower's done. I guess it's time to go outside and kind of get ready for this storm. I didn't really think of that. Probably shouldn't have took a shower before going out in the cold. And it has begun. Alright, first things first, we gotta come over here. We gotta lift these up. Lift up the windshield wipers. It got cold. Yes, I'm in Crocs. Sure, this door is latched because it likes to swing open when it gets windy. Because we stopped using this door because it's broke. Okay, I got the shovel out. We put it away because we thought it was going to snowing, but yeah. Ready to go for the morning. I think I might salt this right now, or I might salt it later if it starts getting really. I might salt it later. It's not getting icy yet. Better stop the time lapse. There we go. We still have this on our front porch. I just finished going around the rest of the house. I'm plugging things that didn't need to be plugged in, just in case there is a power outage tonight, which is a big possibility. Not as much snow as we're supposed to get, but you never know. Could be more, could be less. We're all tucked in for the night. I gotta get up and go to work tomorrow, so if you do have to drive either tonight or tomorrow morning, drive safe. If you're from the area, drive safe, drive slow. I can't tell you how many times I've been on the roads where people driving like 60 miles an hour, a bunch of snow on the roads that have not been paved yet. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it today. Welcome to Michigan life, where we always have a snowstorm, even though winter's supposed to be done. And on my way home today, I saw geese flying north, not south, north. Don't they know there's another winter storm coming today? It was weird. There was like a bunch of geese flying in a V pattern towards the north of Michigan. It really threw me off. But anyways, yeah. So that's going to do it for today. Tomorrow's vlog is going to be a hockey vlog because we're going to a hockey game. So I'll probably film that. With that being said, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow.